Hi guys, this is Shashank and welcome back to MS Word Quick Tips and Tricks presented by Academy. And today in this video we are gonna discuss about how to delete an unwanted page in MS Word. So let's start today's video. There are three ways to delete an unwanted page in MS Word. The first one is just simply go to the page which you want to delete and click on the top of that page and press delete button. But in case you are not able to delete the page, it means that you have activated the unwanted carriage returns. Simply go to this option, that is activating paragraph marks, and you will see that your page will display all those unwanted carriage returns. Simply select them and delete them all. The moment you delete, your page will automatically be removed from your MS Word. And finally, simply go to the View tab and click on Navigation pane. Go to Pages and it will display all the list of the pages in your MS Word. You can simply scroll down or scroll up and select any other unwanted page, select it and delete it. You can remove the unwanted carriage returns, click on the top of the page and press delete. So this way you can delete any unwanted page in MS Word. So thank you guys for watching this video and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. In this series we will cover a lot of tips and tricks in MS Word. So thank you guys, see you soon.